Every single day, there are YouTube channels quietly making thousands of dollars using the same repeatable formula. And most creators have absolutely no idea what that formula actually is. Imagine if you could take any channel you admire, plug it into an AI, and that AI literally tells you, here is the niche, here is the structure, here is how they hook people, here is how they write script, and now here is you can do it on your own. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that step by step using a free Google AI tool called NotebookLM plus one tiny Chrome extension. No copying, no stealing, just smart reverse engineering like big media companies have been doing for years. But now you can do it from your laptop. If you have ever stared at a blank page thinking, what video should I make next? Stay with this till the end. After this, you will never run out of ideas or scripts again. My name is Shah Faisal Shaikh, creature 3D artist turned AI and content automation nerd. On this channel, I break down real AI workflows that actually help you build and scale YouTube automation channel without burning out. Today, you will learn how to turn any YouTube channel into a private AI brain that you can query, generate viral ready ideas, hooks and scripts in your own voice, and use that to build faceless or personal brand channels faster than ever. Let's jump straight right into that tool stack. Here you can see this psychology style channel on YouTube. It's using super simple visual, mostly stick figure style images and slides with an AI sounding voiceover. There is nothing crazy or cinematic here. Yet if you look at platforms like Social Blade, channels like this are already monetized and pulling in consistent income with just a few dozens of videos. As you can see, it generates monthly 322 to 5.2k monthly revenue, and it has over 1.3 million views, and yearly income is around 2.5k to 40k. So the question isn't do I need better editing? The real question is what topics are they choosing? How are they structuring the story? Which hooks keep people watching? That's exactly what NotebookLM is going to help us unpack. Step 1 is open NotebookLM in your browser. Just search NotebookLM on Google and sign in with your Google account. After signing in, click on Try NotebookLM. Click on Create New. This creates a blank notebook. Think of it as a workspace for one channel. Now in another tab, open the YouTube channel you want to study. Go to the Videos tab and scroll down so that at least 10 to 15 of their videos are loaded up on the page. Why? Because we want NotebookLM to learn from a good example of what they are doing, not just one video. Copying all these links manually would be painful, so here is where the little Chrome extensions come in. I am going to search for Grab It. Click on here and click on Add to Chrome and add extension. So after extension has been installed, I am going to just click on the extension tab and click on Grab It. Now I am going to click on Setting. From here I am going to add a new action, so click on Add New Action. From here I am going to choose right mouse click and I am going to use the modifier as control. I am going to change the color to yellow and I am going to set the action to copy URL to clipboard. Now click on Advanced option and click on Smart Select and save action. Now go back to your target channel on the Videos tab. Once all the thumbnails are loaded, use the action button you just created. For example, I have created Control plus right mouse button and drag it and select all the videos you want to. Copy the links and release it. Grab It will grab all those video URL and copy them to your clipboard automatically. In one move, now you have 10 to 15 videos links ready to feed it into NotebookLM. Back into the NotebookLM. In your new NotebookLM, click on Add Sources. From here, choose the YouTube option, which is this. Click on here and Control V to paste the links which you have copied on the clipboard and click on Insert. Then wait a moment while NotebookLM processes those sources. You will see them appear as individual resources in your notebook once they are done. NotebookLM can also take in other types of contents, blog posts, text documents, PDFs and so on. So if your niche has strong blogs or papers, you can include those later for even richer insights. Now give your NotebookLM a clear name. For example, I am giving the name Psychology Channel Clone Research. This notebook is your new AI brain for that one channel. On the right side or bottom, depending on your layout, you will see a chat box. This is where the real magic happens. Ask NotebookLM something like, based on all these resources, summarize the niche, common videos topics, script, hook style, and typical calls to action this channel uses. Now hit generate. NotebookLM will respond with a breakdown such as the main niche and sub niche, typically video length and structure, hook, story, explanation, conclusion, patterns in titles, hooks, and CTAs. You can then go deeper. For example, you can type list recurring hook patterns this creator uses as the beginning of videos, outline the usual storytelling structure they follow, what emotional triggers or psychological angles appear most often. Now send. This is where you start to understand why their videos work, not just what they think or talk about. Once NotebookLM understands the channel, you can ask it to help you build your own version in that niche. So I'm going to type generate 10 original YouTube channel name ideas inspired by these sources for a channel that covers similar topics but with an AI and automation twist. Now hit enter. Pick a name you like. Now I have taken the name System to Logic. Now I will give the prompt. Now give me 10 video ideas for this new channel, including a title, a one sentence description, and what angle I should take in each video. Now hit enter. NotebookLM will generate a list of topic ideas, each with a clear direction. This is the exact moment where most creators would normally spend hours brainstorming, and you just compress that into a couple of prompts. Now it has created the 10 video ideas for me. Now it's time to turn those ideas into full script. Take one video idea from the list. So I am just going to take the first video idea and I am going to copy it. Now click on create a notebook, create a new notebook, and click on copy text, paste the idea here and click on insert. Now let's rename this title. Now you can see an option called video overview. Just click on it. Now from here you can customize your video overview. You can choose any visual style you want. I am just going to take the anime style. I want to keep my language as English and hit generate. NotebookLM will create a structured video overview, often including intro hooks, talking points, and sometimes even full draft script. You can repeat this process for multiple ideas, creating a pipeline of videos. On the free plan, there are usually some limits per day, but you can create multiple Google accounts if you want to scale this and batch create a month of content in just a few sessions. Always check the current limits when you are watching this. Our video is ready. Let's check what we have got.
Hey, have you ever felt like your brain just has way too many tabs open? You know, like there's some background process running that you just can't shut down? Well, in this explainer, we're going to dive deep inside those minds that seem to be constantly on, and maybe, just maybe, give you a powerful new way of thinking about them.
Seriously, why do some minds never shut off? It's a question that can be, well, pretty frustrating, right? That feeling of a mind that's always worrying, always analyzing, replaying things long after they're over. It can be absolutely exhausting. But what if we've been looking at it all wrong?
Oh, you know the scene. It's 11 p.m., you're laying in bed, you're trying to sleep, but your mind is just stuck in this loop. You're replaying that meeting or that casual chat with a friend, and you're analyzing every single word, every tone, every pause. It feels kind of unproductive, maybe even a little obsessive. But what is really going on in there?
Now here's where things get really interesting. The idea here is that this constant mental activity, it isn't a bug in your system. It's not a flaw. It's actually a core feature. It's the sign of a really powerful and sophisticated mental architecture at work.
Now let's see our second video which has already been generated.
Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're going to break down an incredibly powerful mental tool. Seriously, this can completely change how you handle stress, conflict, all those sudden emotional flare-ups. We're talking about the 5-second logic gate, a super simple technique to stop emotional overload right in its tracks.
So first things first, let's talk about the problem. We have all been there, right? Someone cuts you off in traffic, or you get that one frustrating email, and bam, you react instantly. And look, this isn't some flaw in your character, it's just your brain doing what it does best, kicking into its default survival mode. It's built for speed, not for deep, thoughtful consideration. I mean, really think about it. That sharp comment you couldn't take back, that angry email you fired off, that single split-second decision can lead to hours, sometimes even days, of trying to clean up the mess. It's such a universal feeling, and it all boils down to this little battle that's happening inside your own head.
This is also looks great. So if you want to download this video, just click on this three dot and click on download, and it will download on your local system. The crazy part is that you are not limited to text. You can use this overview and script as the backbone for slide based videos with simple animation, stick figure style visuals, infographic that summarizes each key point. Many faceless channels simply combine a strong script, an AI or human voiceover, and simple but clean visuals, and they perform extremely well. NotebookLM helps with thinking and structuring. Then you use your favorite tools, editing software, slide tools, or other AI video generator to turn that into a finished video. This means you can run full faceless channels where the brain works is largely automated while you stay in control of quality and ethics. Now, having a great video is not enough. You also need the algorithm to understand and push your content. That means the strong titles and metadata. Next is the most underrated part of YouTube automation, that is thumbnail. Go back to the original channel you're studying and just look at that thumbnails. You will usually notice a consistent color palette, for example black and white and red, a recurring layout, text on one side, a simple illustration or character on other, simple fonts across the whole channel. You don't need to reinvent this, you just need to build your own version of that pattern. Now we are going to open Canva and create a new design and click on YouTube thumbnail with 16:9 ratio dimension. Start with a plain background. White works great if your text and graphics are bold. Now click on text and add a heading. Now I am going to type high IQ brain prevents emotional overload. So I am just going to keep the high IQ as a different and prevent emotional as a different header and overload as a different header. Now I am going to just change the font style. Now I am going to scale and I am just going to apply an effect on it to make it look good. I will now go to element. I am going to type emotional stick figure. Now I am going to pick any one of the stick figure which I like. I am going to pick this one, and that's it. Let me know in the comment if you like this thumbnail. At this point you have a notebook that understands a successful channel in your niche, a list of channel names and video ideas tailored to your style, full video overview and scripts powered by NotebookLM, titles, thumbnails and a workflow to pump out content consistently. This is exactly how modern YouTube automation works. It's not about mindless spam. It's about studying what already works, building system around it, and then letting AI understand the heavy lifting while you focus on decision and quality. If you want my exact NotebookLM prompts and a ready-made template document, comment NotebookLM below and I will share it with you in a future video or pinned comment. If you learned something new today, hit that like and subscribe button to the channel Shah Faisal Shaikh for more deep dive AI workflows, and share this with one friend who is trying to grow on YouTube channel right now. Thanks for watching and get ready, because once you set this up, brainstorming and scripting YouTube videos will never feel the same again.